So the exercises for this week, you once again accept by going to by clicking the link on the course web pages. There are a few hints for this week's exercise. So first of all, it's a good idea to get familiar with the travel time matrix data set and what the different columns means and what the data represents. So you can check out a blog post about that, and also it's some hints about reading in the data when it's a text file and doing some joins about it, and then also about how to read in many files efficiently in Python. But we'll have a quick look at the different notebooks that you will be creating. So in the first problem, you will be joining some accessibility data from the travel time matrix and visualizing that on in maps. So reading in the travel time matrix, classifying the data in different ways, and then plotting that on a map in the end as well. Yes, and there's an optional task at the end of that as well. And for problem 2, we calculate and visualize the dominance areas of shopping centers. So which shopping centers are closest to the different parts of Helsinki. So you read in some data, travel time matrix data as well here, and a grid layer underneath, and classify that data based on the distances to the different shopping centers. And then there's also a optional task in the end to use that dominance area and calculate how many people that live in each of those areas. So there is some dissolving and some reading in some data, a really nice extra task that it might be useful for your final assignment. Many of the same skills will be used there. Okay, so that was exercise 4, which is due next Thursday. Please sign up to the seminar registration form and ask questions in Slack.